NWA, good morning Jamaica. I have something to talk about this morning. It's embarrassing, you know. You ever notice Jamaica road them ever for the patrol? And when you find out our cars, you wonder if a real thing. What day? Me I drive past Grand Spring Road and go up Constant Spring. And see some water commissioner work on a pipe. Dig out the whole of the big road, half of the road, they must have a drive and half. Car for stop and get car pass and have the drive. So they don't fix the pipe now. So them say them cover it up with the debris back. Rain come fall. Dig out the hole. And before the hole get deeper and deeper, you know. People I walk on the road and I look on the road and I talk around that. Oh, they dig out the road and I fix it back better than that, you know, better. So what do you think happen? Me I drive past last night and see a taxi run up in a Prada. But the grill running in the car, you know, so the Prada them have a grill in front of it, that's where they carry it. Taxi right off. And the same patrol cause accident, you know. From Grand Spring Road. NWA. Government of Jamaica. I don't know if you drive on the road, but I'm telling you, we need to come fix the road before accident, life taking. Because I tell you, last night, the taxi man was lucky. But you see, the next accident that comes there, sir, I don't wish it on, but I beg you not do. Not make it be life-threatening, brother. Because people are complaining about it. Jamaica, if you are drive coming up, going to Constant Spring and Grand Spring Road, we don't go to the patrol. And we know right now I talk about it, enough Jamaican know, because most of them live up that side there. Stoney side going up. NWA, Water Commission, what kind of sloppy work that you know do? I wouldn't mash up the road, you know. NWA, stop, NWA, go and get some serious things to that road before it costs life. I beg you, don't wait till when somebody a cry, you fix it, do. So, I beg you, go Jamaican people and the people of Grand Spring area, do, fix it. One nation and a out. So, I beg you.